Nah, look at this goofy dolphin trying to be cool, man. Yo, any schoolfish watching, don't do oxygen, you heard? It's not worth it. I know his brain's fried right now. Yeah, this frog really thinks he made it out the hood. So close yet so far away, head ass. Feeling froggy and jump. Oh! Oh!
Today is the day that I get over my fear of snakes.
Oh. Damn, I still had the cheese touch since middle school. Yo, he's about to jump over the fence. He's about to jump. 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 He's about to jump.
That's tough. They got you locked up for life, my boy.
The hell wrong with you? Hey, yo! Yo. What? I did not hate you. Yo, y'all some scammers, bro. Yo, whose cat is this, bro? I ain't gonna lie, he's showing me a little too much love. I don't even know, buddy. This gotta be Diddy's cat or something. Oh!
Damn, man, I ain't gonna lie, this shit's sad. Where's his mom at?
Oh! You thought you scared me or something? That's why your mom left.
You know I had to cash out on his favorite treats. We about to go to the vet and get him put down. What? You speak English? Man, please check up on your dog's mental health, bro. This shit ain't no joke for real. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that You know, sometimes in life we like to get too ahead of ourselves. It's always a good idea to take a step back, you know? It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. And it's just a minor setback for major comeback. Damn, he probably stole some chips from the wrong people. That's what he get. The Seagull Mafia got him walking on Cheetos.
Man, I ain't never seen nothing like this. This is an emo strawberry cut. This shit going through a phase. Hey, but it's pre-sliced though.
Stay safe, my boy. And be back before 5, you heard? Oh, shit, they shooting! Damn, they got swing! Run! Yo, stop playing the rap.
Bro, did you really just bite me, bro? After everything I did for you, I saved you from that shelter. They were gonna put you down. I raised you, I fed you, I gave you everything. Why? What?
See, you good, bro. This ain't the animal shelter. You don't gotta be scared of showers. Cheer up, gang. At least you ain't dropped the soap this time.
Man, sometimes the odds in life just be stacked against you for real. My boy Coco was born with gloves and a ski mask. He ain't never stand a chance. Damn, little twin, why you banging your set on me, gang? What happened? I thought we was on the same team.
Yo, Slide Gang. And you thought we wasn't gonna catch you after all that shit you was barking on Facebook? Yo, Coco, run his pockets, man. Whatever he got, we need it. Gangster. Matter of fact, that's laying him off too easy. Coco, put the paws on him. Put the paws on him. Yeah. Oh my God, y'all, Coco done crashed the motorcycle. We ain't got no insurance. No, Coco, wake up. I don't want to do this, y'all, but I think we're gonna have to open the GoFundMe.